We decided to spend the morning lazing on the Berjaya Resort's private beach. Naturally, we took the opportunity to fly the drone. And also to experiment with some of the drone's more advanced features, such as people tracking. After lunch at the resort, we called a taxi and headed to Eagle Square, Dataran Lang in Malay, in the downtown area. This is a star-shaped jetty with an immense statue of a red eagle, the symbol of Langkawi. Since the island is named after its red eagles, it is to be expected that they are celebrated with a 12-meter, roughly 40-foot tall statue. Naturally, we had to take extensive drone shots of Eagle Square, the huge statue, and the surrounding area. Later, we headed over to a nearby dock where we had booked a sunset cruise with dinner on the Suetra. The boat was not exactly as advertised, but nonetheless impressive. This is a shot of a similar boat that passed us on our way out of the harbor. The Suetra sailed out of the harbor and in amongst a small group of nearby islands. Neo took lots of photos. We stopped, and the crew lowered a net with flotation devices into the water for people to swim in the ocean. Just then, the skies opened and we were pelted with torrential rain, which did not deter the swimmers as it did not last long. Later, a rather disappointing dinner was served as we headed back towards the harbor. We enjoyed a float-by of Eagle Square, which allowed us to see it from the vantage point of the water. The boat then headed out to a place where we had an unobstructed view of the sunset. We took lots of pictures as the sky turned a spectrum of orange and crimson colors over the ocean. When we were again on dry land, we walked a short distance back to Eagle Square. Where I had a chance to do my first nighttime drone flying. Another fun day on Langkawi Island.